So a week or two ago, I saw a Astroscan telescope on eBay, and looked like it was fairly complete. It was missing the base, but actually I have a base from the other Astroscan that I got. So what I was really looking for in this one is going to be the mirror. So the shipping came through yesterday. The guy on eBay shipped very fast. The box is got a few little wrinkles in it here and there, but it's taped up very well. So we're going to open it up here and see how it survived the trip up from Florida, which is where it came from. So here's the first part. All right, well, not exactly the way I would pack a telescope. A couple of pieces of foam in there, and a little bit of bubble wrap. Certainly not much protection on the back side, but let's see how it looks here. Let's see if we can pull it out and see what we got. I wish you would have put something a little bit more substantial around the ball in case that thing was thrown around. It took a lot of shots. He did put a little bit of foam here up where the eyepiece goes, so that may have helped a little bit. All right, so looking at the top here, let's see if we can pull this off. And there's the eyepiece. So the top part here actually looks pretty good. There's an old price tag here of $49.99, so this has probably been through a couple of hands. So just looking around the top, I don't see any real significant damage. I do have a strap on this, which is actually something I needed that I didn't have on my other telescope, so that's a good thing. Here on the ball, a little dirty, but actually it's not too bad. I'm not seeing any real deep scratches. I do plan on trying to polish these out to get them nice, but actually this looks pretty good overall. Just gonna roll the eyepiece in and out here. Seems nice and smooth. And actually these things just come right out. I'm not really sure. This might be a Barlow that came with it. And now we're going to check out the inside. So here on the front we have the Astroscan dust cap, which I don't think I had on my other one. So we'll see if we can pull this out and see what kind of surprises lie inside. This is a little tough to get off, but all right, so that's not too bad. So we're taking a look here. Let me grab I'm going to grab a flashlight and we'll see what we can see. Kind of unusual with a round telescope about worrying about it rolling off the table. So just going to take a quick look here at the sort of the plate that's on the front. From what I've been hearing, there's some people say that this is just a plain glass plate, nothing on it. Other people say that it is a little bit like figured on the back side to kind of disperse any kind of light that might come through so it doesn't reflect down in. So I don't really know for sure, but looking at the plate, the glass plate actually looks very good. Don't see any scratches or anything on that. I was looking here. It's kind of interesting. I was just looking to see if there was where they printed the run on this. So let's take a real good peek down inside the barrel here. It's a little hard to do this with my cell phone simply because the angles, and it's kind of behind me here. There we go. So we'll shine a light down in here. And actually looks pretty good. Little bit of dust on it, but that's to be expected for the age of this. Even though these are kind of sealed up pretty good, if there's nothing here in the eyepiece, you can get air flowing in through there as well. But actually it looks pretty good. Secondary mirror is at least intact and in place. I've heard a few cases of these things, especially if they've taken a bit of a shock, that sometimes that mirror has dislodged. But so overall, this is looking pretty good. I do see another little sticker in here. If that's the serial number, 43379. I'm not sure if that's a serial number or maybe an auction sticker or something like that. But so overall, looks pretty good. So I think between this telescope and the one that I have before, I should be able to put together one pretty decent scope. So we will see. So it's kind of exciting to get these two things together.